Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unlock your Facebook profile, because sometimes we need to unlock our Facebook profile. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your Facebook application. For this, go to Play Store and update your Facebook application. So after updating your Facebook application, click on Open Options, and here you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see Setting and Privacy options. Click on it and then click on Setting, and then you will see Profile locking options. Click on it. So here you can see I have locked my Facebook profile. So here you can see the options of unlock. So click on Unlock options, and here you will see when you will unlock your Facebook profile, more people may see the photos, posts and stories on your profile, and more people may see your full size profile pictures and cover photo. So after that, click on Unlock your profile. So then click on OK options. So in this way you can unlock your Facebook profile. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.